Hello, Zara. How are you doing today?
Hi, Jan. I am doing well, thank you. How about you?
I am good too. It is a very beautiful day today.
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect.
What would you like to drink?
I think I will have a cold coffee. I love cold coffee.
Great choice. I prefer hot tea. Let me call the waiter. Excuse me. Please bring one cold coffee and one hot tea. Thank you.
So, Jan, what are you working on these days?
I'm working on a new project. It takes a lot of time. What about you?
I am learning graphic design online. It is very fun and creative.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Do you practice every day?
Yes, I practice for 2 hours every morning.
Oh, look. Our drinks are here.
It looks delicious. This coffee is very good. By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I will probably just relax at home and watch a movie.
That sounds like a peaceful weekend.
Yes. Anyway, it was great talking to you, Zara.
Same here. Jan, have a great day.
You too. Goodbye. If you want to keep learning English in such an easy and simple way,
Then don't forget to subscribe to our channel.